Kim at Paolo, na-engage sa commercial. Fans in shocked and kilig. Mga ka-celebrity hub, eto na naman tayo, may bagong dahilan para kiligin at ma-excite. Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino, once again, broke the internet after their latest commercial collab went viral, and netizens can't help but say, parang engagement video. Sa bagong TVC na ito, hindi lang sila ganda at pogi, they served real chemistry. From the way they looked at each other, to the sweet gestures, to the way Paolo held Kim's hand, halos lahat ng viewers napa-comment ng, sila na ba? Ang mas nakakakilig, parang hindi lang acting ang peg, parang totoo talaga. Walang overacting, walang pilit, just pure, effortless connection na parang straight out of a K-drama engagement scene. Maraming fans ang nagtatanong, may laman ba ang commercial na yan? Are they hinting at something more? At syempre, ang mga merits, hindi nagpahuli. Ayon sa ilang nakapanood ng behind the scenes, grabe ang lambingan ng dalawa off-cam. Paolo being extra caring, Kim laughing with him like they're in their own world. If this is just for a brand, then that brand hit the jackpot. Whether it's a real-life romance or a masterclass in acting, one thing's for sure, Kim Pao is the hottest pair right now, at kahit commercial lang, parang engagement announcement na rin ang dating.